I'm going to be sharing with you today how to use the Zoom video conferencing with your child. And so the Zoom video conference is going to be used for teachers to do live teaching with their class or with small groups. And so you will go to Chrome, Google Chrome, and you're going to go to zoom.us/download. And you will download the app either to your computer, or if you're using a tablet or mobile device, you will download it in the App Store or in Google Play. So you will download, and then you will also go right up here to the top where it says sign up. It's free, and you will create a sign in. Now you will have to be over 18 to have a Zoom account, so parents will have to create this for their child. So you will put in your date of birth. And like I said, you have to be over 18. And then you'll go to continue. And then you'll put in the email address that you want associated with the account. It does say your work email. It does not need to be a work email. It can be any email address that you choose to use. And then you will sign up, and they will send you a link to your email address in order to verify your account. So once you have downloaded the Zoom app on your computer, you can go ahead and click on that app to get started with your session. And so you will go right here to the Zoom app and make sure you're selected home at the top of your screen, and you will join a meeting. You'll click the join button. And then here's where you'll enter in the code that you were given by your teacher. So your teacher should be giving you the code and the password that you will use to get in. So you will go ahead and type that in here. And then here is where you can put your name if you just wanted to say your first name. I'm going to make mine say Miss Pupil. And then right here is where if you don't want your video on, some people don't like their video on, you can go ahead and turn it off right here before you join. So you can turn that off here and then click on join. And so now I'm in my session. Go ahead and mute myself there. So this is what your screen will look like. So anyone logged into the Zoom will show up on the screen. And I'm going to show you a few of the features that you can use while you are in the Zoom. And so right here at the bottom is where you can mute yourself. So if the teacher is talking and it's not your turn to share, you can have yours on mute. And then if you're going to share something or give an answer, you can go ahead and unmute yourself. So you would click right here. And then here's where you control your video. So if you would like to have the video on, you can go ahead and click right there and it'll start your video, or you can turn it off if you have to leave for a second. And then this is where you can see the participants. So this shows you a list of who is in the session. The chat feature can be used if you would like to enter in something here, say hello to your teacher, or if you want to ask a question or give an answer. If you would like to send it to everyone in the group, you leave it set right here. If you would like to send a private message just to your teacher, you can go ahead and hit their name, and then it will privately send them a message. So if it's something you want to share with just your teacher, you can privately send them a message. So you can do that over here. If you want to take the chat off your screen and the participants off your screen, you just click on them again and they will come off. And then over here are some reactions. So if you want to give a thumbs up to let your teacher know that you're paying attention, you can do that here. And then up at the top, you can change it from speaker view to gallery view. So if it's in speaker view, then the actual person talking will show up big on the screen. If you want to see everyone that's participating, you can put it on gallery view. That way you can see everybody. The other thing you can do is right up here, there's 3 little blue dots. And you can click on that if you want to send a chat to the teacher. So you can also click that to privately send the teacher a message as well. And when you are all done with your session, you can go ahead and X out right here, or you can click right down here where it says leave meeting, and that will end your meeting session. And then you can leave the meeting. Now, if you have any additional questions about Zoom, you can ask your classroom teacher for support.